Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am back with another video, and in today's video, y'all, I am just rushing. I'm all over the place. We are about to go to my daughter's graduation, so I am about to make a miracle with my wig, and we about to see what it goes. Okay guys, so first off, I did braid my hair in 2 braids, put it in a rubber band, and I'm just gonna brush my hair back. And I found some new glue that I've been loving. Y'all, this thing don't be playing. Like, it gets the job done. Like, I don't know. This and I Got To Be Glued is kind of like neck and neck for like straight up. So I'm using the Even. I bought the bigger bottle for $10 from my beauty supply store. So I am going to be using this synthetic wig I purchased. It is blonde. Y'all know I love blonde. So this is a Clio lace wig, and it is in the color 613. It is synthetic, but it does have like the fibers where you can flat iron it, so it goes up to 360 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my cap, y'all, and then I'm gonna put some makeup on my cap just so it blends in with my wig. Okay, so I'm going in with my hair dryer and my spray same time. So yeah, I'm going in with a little bit of my concealer. My cap is already kind of blondish anyways, but this is just extra stuff. So just so it blends in really good, because it is a middle part and I don't want to have no, you know, it look crazy, whatever. So I am going to put a little bit of that on my brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. And you can see, right, like it's very golden. So it'll go good with this wig that I'm putting on. So you guys can basically say that I am going to be doing the ball cap method. Just realized that this was the ball cap. I should have actually scooted it back. I think that probably would have been more easier, but it is what it is, honey child. I'm just gonna cut off the tag from the wig, and then I'm gonna move forward with cutting off the lace. Cause y'all know I like me a good 613. So it does have lace, like I said. It's kind of close. It's not crazy looking, but it's kind of close. We gonna make it work. I'm gonna brush all the baby hairs because it does have baby hairs already on here. And I'm just gonna follow that same method of kind of like doing a zigzag when you're around the edge of the wig. So I'm taking off the lace. So that's all lace. I'm just gonna cut it off. And I'm gonna, like I said, use that zigzag method when I'm doing that. I don't want to cut it off straight across because I don't want to like a cone head. So try to put some type of illusion in this little wig. And it really just is how you working your wrists. You know, you gotta whip your whip like a stir fry. That's what this is. That's what I'm doing right now, y'all. You know what I mean? I'm doing this edge line or whatever. I'm doing this wig line. But my wrist is all in my wrist work. So if it don't come out looking good, I ain't did no good stir fry, child. And here's the legs. Everybody can clap. We did it. We did it. We did it. All right, y'all. So this is my little walk, my little Dora. This is my little Dora wig right here, y'all. And it is very cute. I love it. It's giving summer for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, starting in the back. So I like to put mine in the back first and then put it over like so, like this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the rest of my cap. And I'm not worried about the back, y'all, because it will be under my braids, so I'm not worried about that. I tuck it in under my braids so you can't see it, and then the clip also, you know, holds it down. All right, so now that I have it down, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my cap again, y'all. And this time I'm gonna gently place my wig to where it's supposed to be. So it is a part down the middle, so I wanna make sure I line up my forehead, middle of my forehead with the part, because I don't want to be looking crazy, all right? And y'all, this glue do dry a little fast, just FYI. So you just want to make sure you have everything like secured down. And yes, I am going to be putting a little heat onto this because I need to put a little bump in it. You know, it got a little bump already, but I need more. Okay. So I'm back, y'all. Got my flat iron. Ooh, let me make sure I turn my flat iron down to like 350, 330, because it said 360, but I don't want to burn it up. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now. All I did was just bump it a little bit, and look what it did. It took all the bump out. So I'm not happy about that. I'm not happy about the bump going out, but that's okay. It's okay. We'll move forward. I'm putting a little bit of this in my hand so I can lay my edges a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. I gotta go.